Working with high-quality document imaging and have JPM files combining multiple image types, these files preserve complex documents efficiently. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open JPEG 2000 compound image files for document processing. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated JPM file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A user encountering a .jpm file is dealing with a compound image from the JPEG 2000 suite, which can contain multiple image layers or data types. Their goal is to view or edit this complex image, which may offer superior compression and features compared to standard JPEGs, requiring compatible software. The .jpm format is defined by the ISO IEC 154446 standard. It is a container format built upon the JPEG 2000 architecture designed to hold multiple images, raster or vector, and other data in a structured, hierarchical manner. This allows for compound documents like a scanned page with both text and photo regions. The primary software for JPM is recognized as Adobe Photoshop, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows offers viewing only, so major image work must be done with proper imaging tools. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your JPM file and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. If you cannot access the JPM file, no problem. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening an image viewers. Use IrfanView with JPEG 2000 plugins, free from irfanview.com or xnview from xnview.com for JPM file viewing. These viewers support various JPEG 2000 variants, including JPM compound images. Open files through standard file, then open menu accessing the document content with proper rendering of mixed text and image regions. Next, document processing. Process JPM files and document management systems supporting JPEG 2000 compound images. Adobe Acrobat handles JPM files for PDF integration, enabling document workflow continuation. The compound image structure preserves document fidelity through processing pipelines, maintaining quality across organizational document management workflows requiring high-fidelity scanned document preservation. Finally, format conversion. Convert JPM files to standard formats like PDF or TIFF using IrfanView's batch conversion or specialized document conversion tools. PDF format provides universal compatibility while preserving document quality. TIFF format works well for archival storage and document management systems. Choose conversion target formats based on long-term access requirements and integration needs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.